I would say AVOD and SVOD business models, so advertisement, finance content and subscription-based content, both have the right to coexist. But of course, for a customer, for a viewer, it's easier to switch between services if you don't pay for a monthly subscription fee.
So when you see the European landscape at the moment, there's a quite challenging situation. People don't like to spend too much money. There's an SVOD fatigue, as you can see in the market, and also the fast channels, for example, or AVOD distribution that's much more advanced than it was before.
With server-side AI, we try to be a quite open solution for all the players in the market. What we see with our competitors is that they finally bundle their ad insertion product with other services and other products you might need then. And we come with a promise that you can implement into your existing environment.
Furthermore, Nautilus gives for tier 1 operators or for tier 1 broadcasters the opportunity to have a customized and tailored development. We look at AI and machine learning already since long, and we make sure that we can also use it in our SSAI stack. Maybe at the moment we see it more downstream, the opportunity to make the right ad decisioning for us then to make in the stitching process using the right ad which is even more appropriate for the respective user.
So we have done also first research projects with AI where we use artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve quality of the ad delivery and saving bandwidth and saving costs. So this is definitely one aspect to optimize workflows and to optimize processing. But we also see that AI can influence decision-making processes, that finally the way how you decide for whom which ads to play can be optimized.
So I'm Maxim and I'm in charge of the distribution at Euronews, which, long story short, Euronews is an international news media outlet.
So Xiaomi is an internet-based hardware company that we use our hardware to acquire user base, and we are able to monetize that user base by providing the internet services. For my role, I play as the head of programmatic advertising.
Instead of just thinking the advertising in the way of, I have one ad which will be the same for everyone global, going for an SSAI or addressable TV strategy allows me to use what I have, my distribution network, my clients, existing and new ones, and make the most out of it by going 3 years through SSAI technology, because then I have local advertising, I have new revenue stream which I can reinvest into marketing, make my product more visible and better, and have obviously the economics around it in a much better shape thanks to that.
And if you look at Fast Channel, SSI provider is one of the key drivers to link up different pieces like content providers, content creation, and the ad insertion by link up with those advertisers. And we are a streaming platform to play those channels out to let user consume the contents and monetize that together.
As I told you, for us, nowadays it's a natural market extension, but this is a strategic angle which we chose 3 years ago. Fast is just another way of providing content to the people. New models, new companies, this is something we pushed heavily. So at the moment, and especially for media like us being rather old, historic in terms of age, you have to be made available everywhere and in the best possible way. So those markets are critical, both for the revenue growth aspect as well as for the pure UX. People have to find us wherever they're going to be. So those markets, absolutely important.